far as the challenges faced by our organization is concerned, the most challenging times have been the last 4 years after the debacle of the Lehman Brothers and the consequences being felt by the rest of the world. Getting business has been a very difficult and troublesome activity for the broking industry and its elements, and that is the greatest challenge that we have faced up till now, resulting in many of the larger broking firms also facing closure, which were big names in the broking industry. For us, cost efficiency has been, and particularly for my organization, cost efficiency has been the most important aspect that we wanted to follow since the beginning. And in my opinion, this focus of our management has led to we being successful even during these trying circumstances. And this is how we actually face the challenges. In addition to cost efficient mechanisms being adopted, we also try to work very hard, harder than the good times, so that we can create a place for us within the business giving community, which in turn has resulted into higher business being achieved by us during at least those times in which the markets have gone up. Although the trying times are still being felt by one and all across the globe, but there have been times wherein the business environment per se has been better. As far as the future of my organization is concerned, I see my organization doing very well in near future as well as far future. One aspect that I very clearly mentioned was cost efficient mechanisms that our management adopted. We also learned new techniques as to how to improve our CRN, the PR that we have maintained, and the new relationships that we have built has taught us many new things as to how to face trying times and how to increase our velocity during better times. And this, in my opinion, is going to take us to being very successful in future. My role in this organization, as I said in the beginning of this interview discussion, is that of a senior sales manager as well as the research head. I started my career in this organization 6.5 years back as a research analyst, wherein I was one of the main element in establishing the research department here. We were in panel with approximately around only 25 institutions. The larger ones were still at bay, and our prime focus was to improve the number of empanelments and get on board the larger institutions. 6.5 years after, that is today, we are now empaneled with 102 institutions, with almost every Indian institutions, that is DIIs, and many FIIs on board. My role has been that of an anchor, in which we have produced quality research reports, and I myself have marketed these reports as a salesperson to the institutions, and today, because of my efforts, I am being known by my name within quite a few institutions. So in a way, I would put my own role as that of an anchor who has helped the organization in achieving its goal of getting empanelments and increasing the business and maintaining greater amount of uh, uh, client relationships, which have been very fruitful. So I've already explained my experiences. Just to add on to the experiences, the second day rather that I joined, I was told by my director that one particular mutual fund was missing. Many of the bigger ones were missing, but the biggest one that was missing, and I was given the responsibility of getting it on board as soon as possible. 2 years and a lot of struggle, we have that institutions on board. So that is the kind of experience. I have been given complete autonomy to work. My decisions are given complete weightage. And I've already spoken about the atmosphere which is prevailing since last 4 years and 2008 September October, since the Lehman crisis. We have come out very well. We have been successful. Our business has been, if not more, not less than what we have been doing in the past good times. Our company is listed in the stock markets, but market price per se doesn't affect the activity of the organization. Rather, in my opinion, the activity, the performance of the organization actually affects the market price. So we are nowhere bothered about the market price that is being quoted on stock exchanges. We are rather bothered, and what is more important for us is the performance of the organization per se. There have been a lot of conflicts which have come up from time to time. One such was between my director and one of my colleague who worked under me, but we did manage to resolve it very amicably, and now, in my opinion, they are one of the best of the friends. I would not like to disclose anything more on this context. And success, in my opinion, is getting, as I said, achieving the goal of the organization to the maximum. And for us, it is the business that we achieve, along with the name being imprinted on the minds of the clients. And we have been doing pretty well in this regard also. So I think that is the gist that I wanted to discuss about my company, my role, and the environment that we work in. So for that, thank you.